An interesting and potentially problematic weather scenario playing out on this Wednesday. Hi, everybody. I'm First Alert meteorologist Matt Chambers. It is a First Alert weather day, at least through the morning, because of the potential of some thick fog. Now, here's what happened. We had steady rain overnight and early this morning. I'm sure you're aware of that. As the rain moved out, and this is pretty typical in these wintertime rain scenarios, as the atmosphere goes calm and there's a little weak boundary in the area, fog got a lot thicker here. So I want you to be on the lookout for poor visibility that could impact travel. You combo that with pavement that's still wet from the overnight rain. Just give yourself some extra braking distance. Keep your headlights on. That's a good idea. Make yourself as visible as possible. You'll be tempted to put it on the brights. Don't. Just keep it on the low beams. The brights actually makes it worse for you and other drivers around you. Now, the background story to all of this, temperatures. That's really the bright spot. Check it out. 47 by lunchtime, 52 for the afternoon high. The big question is, and this is always a difficult question to answer in this kind of weather pattern, when will the fog lift? And the short answer is, you know what? We're going to have patches of fog around probably through Thursday and into Friday morning. Whether or not it's thick and exactly who sees the thickest of it, that's still in question. So at this point, just understand First Alert weather day for fog through the morning that could potentially be expanded into the afternoon. Now, what about our next chance of rain? It's not going to impact your evening drive tonight. In fact, there's some late indications that it might not even impact the morning rush tomorrow. This next round of rain is trending a little bit later. Watch this. By lunchtime tomorrow, we're into some rain in Metro St. Louis. So it comes in from the west. Areas like Warrenton, Sullivan, Raleigh see it in the morning. It's moving into St. Louis kind of mid to late morning, perhaps even as late as early afternoon. That's a pretty good slide in the latest data over the last 24 hours. So I want you to be ready for rain in both the morning and the afternoon hours tomorrow. I'm fairly optimistic that this will be pulling out of the area in time for the evening drive. But even that is a bit of a question mark right now. And then by 8 or 9 o'clock on Thursday, it's over and done with, right? All right, so here's the 7-day forecast. First Alert weather day today, not because of ice or snow or rain, but dense fog dotting the area. 53, though, for a mild afternoon high. Good chance of rain on Thursday. Highly confident in that 80% chance. Just understand the timing's been pushed back just a little bit. Thursday, a little cooler at 49. Friday, we squeeze in a dry day, believe it or not. Wish I could get more sunshine in the forecast. Still looks partly sunny to mostly cloudy there. One more rain chance to talk about before another pattern shift. 60% chance of rain on Saturday. The timing, the exact location, still a bit uncertain. That's why we're not going any higher than 60% right now. Stay tuned for updates. Then I'll tell you, after a cool Sunday, there are signs that next week is going to trend pretty dry and maybe a lot warmer. Some early indications that we could be flirting with 60s by the middle and latter portion of next work week. So some much welcome dry time, but you know what? This rain is beneficial. We'll get an update on that drought monitor on Thursday, and I bet it brings us some good news. In the meantime, remember, it's a First Alert weather day. Let's keep tabs on the fog out there. Be careful.